All right, for this next project, I'm gonna be taking this. I'm gonna be trying to make this is a mushroom dry rack. I'm gonna try to make something better. Um, what I want, this is a very crude design. I just want something a little bit longer and something a little bit wider to fit the whole fan. This is just, it's gonna be for the first step in the drying process. Like this will get them pretty dry and then switch it to a dehydrator to get them cracker dry. Um, the reason I want it a little bit wider is because I kind of want to do something to where I can bracket the fan to the drying rack. So, and I do like the screen aspect of it, but I do have a complaint to where setting them on top is easy, but when you go to like set them in here, it's kind of tight. So I'm just gonna make trays that you can slide out and slide back in. I think that'll be a lot better. As far as material goes, for the frame, like the little box frame that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use this 3/4 inch. I got a whole bunch of that to use, so I shouldn't run out. As for the sides and the top and the front, I'm either gonna use this project panel or regular plywood or cabinet plywood that I have just scrap. So I was intending to make the plywood on both these sides come together at a 45 right here and be like have a nice fit. But when I set the saw, that circular saw to cut this, I didn't go back and actually verify that it was a 45. And it ended up being like, I think I measured it and it was like 50 and something. So they're not quite meeting up. So I'm just gonna, to fix that, I'm just gonna cut this little bit off here and then flip this one around so that the angle meets more up to that, and then I'll just sand the little edge to make it look better. It sucks that that won't look as good, but kind of gotta fix my mistake. All right, this is the end result. The only thing left to do now is paint. I'm gonna probably paint the whole frame, just basic white. I won't paint these, I'll just leave these raw wood just because I've already got the screen stapled onto them. I did change my design a little bit. I was gonna put a piece of plywood on the side here and cut little holes out to help the airflow going across, just to keep it dark, but also the holes cut in to keep the airflow going. But I decided that's not really necessary. Same with the front. I was gonna put either a hinge door that lifted up or two side-by-side doors to kind of close it all in. But again, I felt like that wasn't necessary. As it is, it's functional. Just pull these trays out, take them over, fill them up, and then slide them back in, turn your fan on. On this, the airflow should be adequate enough, top level and each of the other levels and underneath, to get them mainly like most of the way dry, and then switch them to a dehydrator to get them cracker dry.